As a little girl, she was diagnosed with bipolar and some other diseases, and doctors told her that she was maybe going to have to spend the rest of her life on a whole bunch of medication. But her parents decided to do something else, and it worked.
I thought I was a child of Satan.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I couldn't control this.
Push kids, and I think she threw a chair. These turned into full-blown rages that would last 45 minutes, an hour, where she's just kicking, hitting. You know, we'd end up just restraining her. She would have depression, and she talked about suicide. We didn't want to put her on these medications, which we didn't know what they would do to her. They haven't been tested in children.
The idea that disease begins in the gut actually was something that was talked about in Hippocrates' day, the father of modern medicine. Truly what it is it's going back to the way our ancestors would have eaten 200 years ago. And after 3 months, from what I recall, the rages stopped.
Discover alternative methods for treating psychiatric disorders in children on the next A Better View. Only at ibctv.com.